In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capitalize country names in Excel. First, open the Excel workbook where you want to fix the capitalization of your country names. Make sure the file is already set up with the list you want to clean up. In this example, the sample country names are placed in cells A1 through A5, so we'll use that range as our starting point. Before entering the formula, it helps to create a clear label for the corrected results. Click on cell B1 and type capitalized country. This gives your new column a heading and makes it easy to distinguish the cleaned up version from the original data. Next, click on cell B2. This is where you'll enter the formula that automatically changes the text into proper capitalization. Type an equal sign, then the word proper, followed by an opening parenthesis, then A2, and finally a closing parenthesis. The completed formula should reference the country name in cell A2 and apply the proper function to it. Once you've typed it in, press enter. As soon as you do that, Excel will return the country name in proper form. For example, if the original text was entered in all lowercase or inconsistent capitalization, Excel will convert it so that the first letter of each word is uppercase and the remaining letters are lowercase. This is exactly what the proper function is designed to do, and it's especially useful when you're cleaning up location data like country names. Now that the first corrected result is working, you can apply the same formula to the rest of the list instead of typing it again manually. Select cell B2, then move your cursor to the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag it downward until you reach cell B5. Excel will automatically copy the formula into the cells below and adjust the references for each row. Once you do that, the rest of your country names will be capitalized in the same format. This makes the data look cleaner, more professional, and much easier to work with in reports or spreadsheets. And that's it. You've successfully used Excel's proper function to capitalize country names quickly and efficiently.